Hi everyone, it's Miss Madeline and welcome to the math class. We're going to work on lesson number 5. We're going to work on relating inches, feet, and yards. Okay, so open up your books on page 671. We're going to relate inches, feet, and yards. Remember, 1 foot has 12 inches, 1 yard has 36 inches, and also 1 yard has 3 feet. Now let's see. Find each object in the classroom, measure each object in inches, and measure each object in feet. Discuss the measurements. Now let's see. This desk, it's about, how many inches do you think it is? Okay, let's say 24 inches. So write 24 inches. How many feet is that? Remember, 1 foot is 12, so 24 inches will be equal to 2 feet. Okay, now remember, these are estimates. Okay, now let's look at the door. How many inches wide? When you see this arrow like this, we're going to measure how wide is an object. As I said on the last lesson, wide is ancho. Okay, how many inches long do you think it is? I think it may be about 36 inches. And how many feet is that? Remember, 1 foot is equal to 12. 36 inches will be the same as 3 feet. Why? Because 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 36. Now, let's measure this one. This one is smaller than the door. So maybe we can estimate that this object is 24 inches or 2 feet. Why? Because 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Turn your page, please. Now, you can use different units of length to measure the same object. This hockey stick, it's used to play hockey, is 48 inches long. 48 inches long. Okay? Now, so it's the same as we have 4 feet long. Why? Because 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. If you add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, you will have 4 feet. Okay? And remember that 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. Now, find the object and measure the length of each object twice. Now, first we're going to measure in feet and then in yards. Now, how many inches long do you think it's the teacher's desk? Maybe 48 inches? Oh, sorry. We're measuring in feet. Maybe 4 feet? How many yards is that? It's 1 yard. Why? 1 yard has 3 feet, so it's about 1 yard long, the teacher's desk. This chalkboard, I think it's 1 yard, and remember that 1 yard has 3 feet. Next page. This object is about, let's say, 1 feet. And how many feet is that? How many inches does 1 foot has? 36 inches. Sorry, it's better. Sorry, it's not 1 feet. Sorry. Erase this, please. Now, this is about 3 feet. I'm sorry. And that makes 36 inches long. A notebook it's about 12 inches, about, and 1 foot has 12 inches. Remember that Miss Marlene is making estimates about each object. This is about 3 feet, which equals to 1 yard. This is a seesaw, which is very long. It's about 2 yards, and 1 yard has 3 feet. 3 feet plus 3 feet is 6 feet. Now, this is a slide, and the slide is very long. It's almost like 3 yards. If we add 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 feet. How about a laptop? My laptop may be about 15 inches. That will be equal to about 1 feet. Why? Because 1 feet is only 12 inches. Next page. Next page, number 9. Sheraton's scooter is 3 feet long. Sage's scooter is 38 inches long. Whose scooter is longer? Now, we know that in 1 foot is 12 inches, so if we change his scooter into inches, these will equal to 36 inches. Why? Because on 1 foot we have 12. If we add 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 36. So whose scooter is longer? Can you see? 38 is bigger than 36. So the answer for number 9 is Sage's. Sage's scooter is longer. 38 is more than 36. Number 10. The low diving board is 8 feet long. A low diving board is the place where the swimmers jump into the pool. That is a low diving board. The high diving board is 4 yards long. This is what we know. How many feet longer is the high diving board? So that means that this number, we need to change it into yards. We know that 1 yard has 3 feet. So let's add 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. So the high diving board is 12 and the low diving board is 8. How do we know which one is longer? This word is telling me already that to find the difference we need to subtract. So we are going to subtract 12 minus 8 is equal to 4 feet. The answer is 4 feet. Number 11. The green bike is 1 yard long and the yellow bike is 38 inches long. Which bike is shorter? Remember then that 1 yard is 36. So the green bike is 36 inches and we want to know which of the bikes is shorter, and 38 is obviously more than 36. So the green bike is shorter. So the answer is green. Okay? So the answer for grade math, remember that Miss Marlene always tells you this answer, so copy this answer in your book. We are on page 674. Okay, now next page. my homework. You're going to do it by yourselves. Remember, you will estimate the answer in feet and in yard. I repeat, 1 yard has 3 feet, okay? You will do the same on this part, okay? Remember that you have to estimate. It doesn't have to be the exact answer. Find the object, measure the length of the object twice. That means that you first need to measure in feet and then in inches. Okay, now this is a sandbox. A sandbox may be about 4 feet, so you need to find how many inches is that. Remember, 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. Now, how about your refrigerator? May be about 2 yards. How many feet is that? You're going to find it. Remember that 1 yard has 3 feet. Sam's closet is 4 feet wide. Remember, wide means ancho. Tom's closet is 50 inches wide. Whose closet is wider? You need to find the answer. Number 7, the fence in Laura's backyard is 15 feet long. How many yards long is the fence? I repeat, 1 yard is equal to 3, so you have to find out how many yards is this. And number 8, 78 inches is equal to 72 inches, is equal to how many yards? Okay, you have to find out the answer. Okay, that's it for today. Bye. Hope you understand the lesson.